Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Blajib. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can integrate Chat GPT with Microsoft Bing browser. So for that, make sure your Microsoft browser is up to date by clicking on these three dots, and if you see any update button here, make sure to update it. And after that, search for Bing, and when you come to this page, click on the first link, Bing. And when you see this interface, it's Microsoft Bing interface, then click on this chat option. After you have clicked on this chat option, you will be seeing this interface, and you will be seeing join the waitlist option. As you can see, I'm already on the waitlist. Then but you will be seeing the join the waitlist option, and after clicking on that, you will be on the waitlist and you will receive an email. And after that, you will officially join Chat GPT from your Microsoft Bing. And for more, let me show you how it will work. So when you click on learn more, it will show you how the AI will work with Bing. So here, scroll down, and let's say I ask the chat write a rhyming poem. So I will click on it, and here it's writing me a poem here, as you can see. It's cool. And let's see another example. Let's click on can you help me get fit. So here is the example. Here are all the options or articles, but here is the more brief, more accurate answer, and this chat is giving me here. So after after joining the chat, I will be able to search for anything, and it will give me answer, precise answer. So guys, that's all. Make sure to join Chat GPT from Microsoft Bing, and integrate them. And I will see you in next video. Till then, like and subscribe.